It's raining hard as hell. Hey YouTube, good morning y'all. Hold on, how do I turn the windshield wiper on? Is that one time? Is it gonna keep coming back or what? Okay, I got it. No, but y'all not gonna be able to hear me. Hold on. Hey YouTube, so today we are running a few errands because guess what, child? Prom is tomorrow, okay? I got body the girls one last time. I actually vlogged yesterday, but I didn't like it at all. But I'm gonna just tell y'all what I did yesterday because it corresponds with what we gotta get done today. So yesterday I went to go pick up my dress from Alterations, and then when I tried it on, they saw that they had cut the bottom of my dress unevenly. So they had to keep it and recut it and stuff like that. So hopefully by that time I get down there today, it's ready because like I said, prom is tomorrow. And then I also dropped off my shoes to get fixed because the bottom of the heel broke. So I brought them to the shoe people for them to fix it. So yeah, that's what I did yesterday. Now we're gonna go get my shoes and then hopefully my dress is done like I said before, because the shoe place and the dress place are right next to each other. So I'm on my way right there now. And then today I have a hair appointment with my girl Patience. I don't think y'all understand. I'm so grateful that Patience was able to squeeze me in because she was really booked and busy and full. Her slots for June filled up so fast, but luckily she said she'll squeeze me in and I'm going there today. It's all the way in New York. I'm in Connecticut, so it's like an hour-and-a-half drive, but I don't care. Like, I don't think y'all understand how happy I was. I thought I was gonna have to do a slick back bun for prom. I thought I was gonna have to do a slick back. Like, oh no, I did not want to do that. I was thinking slick back, quick weave. It was terrible. Like, the panic it gave me was crazy. So yeah, that's the agenda for today, y'all. I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get to the shoe place, I guess. This is the mood for prom, y'all. I fell back, I had a baby, you know. Speed. It's Nikki M. Such a little gem. Okay guys, so I just got to the shoe repair place and now I have to run in the rain, so let's go because child, I got my bonnet on, like it's no issue, but who wouldn't be walking in the rain? No, and I don't even know where the umbrella is, so we got to go, and I'm not trying to get y'all wet either, so come on. I'm here to pick up a pair of shoes.
Please.
They're like gold heels. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Have a great day.
You guys okay? You good?
Yeah, I'm good. I just might need help lacing it up in the back, but that's all.
Let me see you now, girlfriend.
Okay.
Yeah, it's good.
Perfect.
Perfect. It's
Yes.
beautiful.
I love the way it sits now.
Yes. Yeah, that's it.
Thank you. Thank you
Good.
so much.
Yeah, perfect. You're welcome.
It looks so good.
Beautiful.
Stay safe. Woo, child. Okay. 2 missions accomplished. What's tea? Yes, okay, our tasks are complete. So we got my dress and we got my shoes. Period, okay. It's currently, less than the time right now. It's 12:26 right now. Me and my dad should leave to go to New York around 1:30. He's driving me because New York drivers drive crazy. Okay, I'm a new driver. I'm not driving all the way to New York by myself. I'm just not. So my dad's gonna take me and that's in like a half an hour. We need to get ready to go because we not trying to be stuck in no type of traffic or nothing. So yeah, right now I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna try on my grad party dress. Don't worry y'all, my graduation is gonna be a vlog. My graduation party is all gonna be a vlog. And yes, my graduation party dress just came from Old Poly, so I'm gonna go try it on right now. It took like 2 hours. Let's get going, okay? We get our hair done today. Thank you, Patience. What do we wanna hear? We wanna hear Itty Bitty Piggy. If you see Itty Bitty Piggy, you know I like it. Okay, I had never put the Snow White by the bubble where the Bitty Piggy, you know I like it. Yeah, I want it. Y'all wanna know something? This little daycare right here, it used to be a Planned Parenthood. Like, that really cracks me up. I don't know why. Like, damn, if only y'all kids knew. Y'all used to be going there for a whole different reason, baby. Pro-choice, by the way. Anyways, but that is just too funny to me. Hey, vlogging today. I already started the vlog because I went and picked up my shoes and I picked up my prom dress. It's all altered and ready to go. What you putting on the hat for the vlog for? Oh wow, dad hat for the dad.
Dimelo.
Ciao. We getting ready to go right now. Yes, I'm outside in my bonnet. I've been outside in my bonnet all day. Very much. Don't tell Monique. The young black girl out here in her bonnet, child.
I tap you on the shoulder, child.
Oh, she not tapping me on my shoulder. Like, girl, please don't have nobody on their shoulders.
She gonna get somebody beat up.
I wouldn't be out here looking like this. I can be out here looking like this. And guess what?
Feel good in our skin.
Exactly. You know? I can still look pretty with my bonnet on. I can still feel good in my bonnet on. Why isn't my bonnet presentable, but a white girl in a messy bun is?
Why you gotta make it feel feminine, right?
Exactly.
Right.
Child, please, they don't got nothing to do with it.
Broke rapper, that's a respect, cause it's rough, but got a stress to pay the bills on M's in a real Slim Shady video.
I don't know who told me that, but you're supposed to hold your breath when you go past cemeteries because you're gonna breathe in the spirit.
Really?
Yeah.
They gonna feel that spirit. They gonna be dead again. They jumping.
Don't play. They right there.
I'm
Stop.
giving that dragon. The dragon.
All right. Like, hi guys. Hey y'all. Here with patience. Very much. We live an hour away. We still come every time. Y'all, hold on, why is this so bright? Hi guys! Patience just finished. Thank you so much. Everybody thank Patience because I was about to be looking busted for prom. Like, no, Patience did that. Thank you so much. But yeah, I have to go because my dad's waiting in the car and he's finna catch a whole attitude. So, yes, but thank you. Thank you. Oh, hey! Oh my goodness. Good morning, guys. So it's the next day. Last night I literally came home. Hold on. What time is it right now? It's early. It's 9:06 right now. I'm about to go get my nails done. Last night I literally came home and I was so tired. Like, I did a lot yesterday. It wasn't a bad day. It was just a really long day. But yeah, now I'm about to go to my nail appointment. And of course, y'all are coming with me. So I'm just going to go ahead, go to my girl. Her name's Jazz. I'll put her ad in the description box down below. And yeah, y'all, we need to get these nails done. Do you see them? It's not giving. Let's go. Okay guys, so guess what? I couldn't even really vlog when I was getting my nails done because I forgot my camera at home. So I vlogged like a little bit on my camera for y'all, but then, child, guess what happened? So, first of all, I almost didn't get my nails done because I was late. My mother came back with the car late and that girl, she literally only has a 10-minute grace period. And after that, or during that 10-minute grace period, it's a $10 late fee. And then if you miss it after 10 minutes, your appointment is canceled, okay? And I got there at 10:09, my appointment was at 10 o'clock. So I was cutting it very close, but I did film a little bit of me getting my nails done for y'all because I needed some vlog footage, like what? And now I'm on my way to Target because I need to get a crimping iron because I really want to crimp my hair tonight. So yeah, I want a big one. I need big crimps, big waves. It's gonna add some body to the hair. The dress, the waist is gonna be snatched. It's gonna be a great time. But yes, we need to go get this crimping iron. So I'm on my way to Target right now. And we finna have a blast, y'all. Let's go. Oh, I should have got gas. We on E. Ah! Oh well, I forgot. I didn't even look at that gas, but let me slow down. That's fine. Okay, guys, so I'm in here. I'm looking for a crimping iron, and this is my friend Maggie. Like, very much known her since elementary school.
Very much so, like childhood besties.
Yes, and childhood friends.
True.
And yeah, so she's gonna help me. Actually, y'all only have one crimping iron in here.
I wouldn't be able to tell you anyways. I don't work here. I don't work here, ma'am.
Oh my goodness. So you're gonna be there, right, at my grad party?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, I thought I texted you about it, right? Okay guys, so I'm back home right now and now I'm actually just about to do my makeup and hair right now, so I'm not really gonna talk much on it. I'm just gonna let y'all watch the whole process. So yes, let's go into this beat face and this hair, honey, because I'm gonna do crimps. I've never done crimps before, but we finna try it, okay? Let's go, first time for everything. Alright y'all, so I just finished my makeup. It literally only took me like 30-40 minutes, like, and it's giving, okay? So now it's time to start crimping this hair. I'm a little bit nervous, but I'm excited at the same time. I need to actually turn the crimping iron on. But yeah, probably should have. While that heats up, I'm gonna just clean up. Y'all have been listening to Dirk and Baby's album, but I'm very much about listening to Nicki Minaj, okay? Like, cause their album just came out today, so I want to hear it, but you know, I'm gotta get into, you know, my bad persona and start listening to Nicki, okay? Mommy, can you come lace up my dress, please? Can you come lace up my dress for me?
No, this gotta come off.
I will, lace it, please. That felt like it got loose.
I put the wrong thing. How is that? It look like you're putting a light in your back.
Just go ahead.
How is that, though?
That's good. Perfect. Thank you. We'll cut these off now. Yeah? Almost all done.